ukuthi sizoba abantwana bakho ukuze kube ngonaphakade. Amen. Bawathi sezulwini phakade. Amen. Udumo.
Oh yeah. One more time.
One more time. In the yellow. I said a boom, take a boom. I said a boom, take a boom. Chaka. I said a boom, chaka, raka, boom. We're going to start from here, from you to here. You're going to play a beat. So you start a beat. Okay, now everybody in the drums, let's play with her. It's a beat like this. Da, 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 da. Okay, now everybody hear that. Someone's taking a back. Hey, gorgeous cake lady. Oh, look at this beautiful family. Cela nisisinayo manisize kancane.
Stepmother abuses Tembagazi, such a beautiful young girl. She became lonely and could not concentrate at school. Oh, poor Tembagazi. Oh, poor Tembagazi. Vuma dadewethu, uNkulunkulu usekhulumile nawe. Unenhlanhla wena uthole isikhathi sokuvalelisa nokuyaleza. Siyathembisa dadewethu sizobheka izingane zakho zizokhula ngendlela obufisa ngayo. Uyolala kahle ukhulule dadewethu. Izingane zakho.
A lot of people, myself included, have struggled with depression. And I know when I'm stuck down here, I need help. I need somebody to help me figure out how to shift my emotions to a different area to free me up from this corner. The same here. Many people live in intense anger or intense fear. And they need some help and some tools to figure out how they can be free and move and maneuver through life. Health, good health, emotional health, you'll hear terms like emotional intelligence or emotional health. All that means is that somebody knows, okay, I'm feeling super angry right now. If I take 5 breaths, I can shift myself from here to down here and be in the health. Health?
Nice. Cool. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh, ku-green ngoba relaxile. Ekuseni ubunjani? Ubuyelo kancane. Okay, yindaba ubuyelo kancane. Ujabulile? Ah, nice.
To really look, observe, and pay attention to each other.
Mayingahleki ungahleki phela ipartner wakho. Mayihleka uyahleka. Mayidiniwe uyadina. Wenza yonke into mbuke nje umgqolozele yonke into ayenzayo uyayenza nawe.
Good emotions or bad emotions. There are emotions that don't feel good, but that doesn't make them bad. That's up for the person feeling them to decide if they want to stay in that emotion or if they want to move. Because a lot of times the red, someone says, I'm in the red. We, unfortunately, as a society say, that's bad. Don't feel that. But that's not realistic.
Did you feel yellow? The beat made you feel happy. How about you? You liked it. How about you? Okay, everybody, let's listen. It was cool. Good. And it made you feel high energy. Yeah? Good.
You ready for today, no? Yes. So this is always the therapy series. This is all I need. So in the next guys, all the best. Things are happening. You guys want to share my phone time? No. Okay, good luck, guys.
Mhlaba ngilethele injabulo kulemathoyana ngangikhala ubusuku nemini kakhulu singangenayo mina wami umama wangizala ngenkumfuthe kulo mhlaba kepha ngangikhala ubusuku nemini ngangicela ungaboni
zala ingane yaba yiphuphuthi wayeseyiphika ngoba ebona umama ukuthi ubaba ukuthi uyahamba wabona ukuthi akahamba uyobeka ehlathini.